What's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show how to install TubeBuddy and how to use it in order to grow your YouTube channel. Subscribe to see more videos like this one. So if you don't know what TubeBuddy is, it's a free Google Chrome extension that you sign up for, and it basically drives more traffic to your YouTube videos by telling you what keywords are good to target and what keywords are bad to target. It also comes with a load of free features, and it can actually automate your work process at the same time. So the first thing you want to do is click on the link in the description, and it takes you to the TubeBuddy website that looks like this. Now you want to go ahead and create your free account by clicking in the top right hand corner, but because I already have one, I'm going to click on my account and I'm going to show you what the dashboard looks like. So once you've created your account, it will lead you to a dashboard that looks like this. You then want to go ahead and link your YouTube channel to your dashboard, and you do that by clicking on add channel. You then want to go ahead and download the Google Chrome extension, which yet again I'll leave a link in the description so you can quickly get to it. But you want to go to the store and just type in TubeBuddy, and it should be the first one at the top here. Okay, so going back to your dashboard, once your YouTube channel is linked up, it should look something similar to mine. So like I said, I'm currently on the Pro license, which is only about $4 a month, and that's the starting license. But like I say, there is a free version of that if you just want to use that for the meantime. And here it's going to give you all of the quick links to everything that you have access to. It's like, say, health report for your channel, statistics, settings, canned responses, etc. Like I said, there are hundreds of features to this TubeBuddy. So if I were to make a video on absolutely everything, it would take me multiple videos or just one long single video to do that. Now I'd recommend integrating all of your social media accounts by clicking on integrations. This basically allows for a more automated process when uploading videos, so I recommend you do that now as well. And just to quickly mention, you won't get this affiliate program tab because I'm affiliate with TubeBuddy. So when you click on the link in the description to sign up with my affiliate link, it basically gives me a small commission off this, but there's no extra charge to yourself. If anything, you might just get a cheaper price. So once TubeBuddy is installed to your Google Chrome browser, you know that it's successful because when you go to your channel, you see this channel analytics tab, and when you click on that, it's basically self-explanatory. It tells you the analytics in the last 30 days, so it tells you subscribers, your views, and it also tells you your videos. Now you can compare this to other people as well by going to their YouTube channel and clicking on the tab instead. Obviously it gives you a comparison chart against you and whoever YouTube channel you clicked on. Now another thing you get is this box up here, the TubeBuddy box, and when you click on that, this is basically the hub of TubeBuddy on YouTube. So it gives you all of your links, and they're all categorized as well, so you've got everything you need just in one click. So as I mentioned before, the purpose of TubeBuddy is to drive more traffic to your videos, which obviously means more views, means more subscribers and more growth. Now to do this, you need to make sure that you're targeting the correct keywords in order for your videos to be discovered in the first place. So I'm going to give you a few examples of that right now. So let's say I want to make a video on how to grow your YouTube channel. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in YouTube, so how to grow your YouTube channel. And I go ahead and search for it, and this is a very bad keyword. Now I know this because on the right here we've got a search explorer tab, and this basically gives you an overall sort of number out of 100 on how good this keyword's worth. So here you've got a search volume which is very high, which is really good. That's what we want to look for. But the competition is even worse, it's even higher. So even to get onto the first page or second page of YouTube for this keyword is going to be extremely difficult, and it even tells you here that it's really bad to target. Now this is where you want to create variations of that keyword in order to actually get traffic to that video, because people will be searching for these variations. So I'm going to give you an example here. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to type in how to grow your YouTube channel quick. So I'm going to add another keyword onto the end of it. And as you can see, instantly it's telling me that it's a very good keyword to go for. Or if I say it's fairly average, so there is a lot better, but there is a lot worse. But it might be worth targeting anyway, just as it says here. So our search volume is a lot lower than before, but there's enough people searching for the video in order to actually get like a decent amount of traffic. And the competition is even lower than the search volume, which is what we're looking for. And so ranking on the first page of YouTube for this specific keyword is going to be very possible. Now if you look underneath, there are related searches. In this case I only have one, but sometimes it's like 5 or 10. So these is these are basically the most popular keywords people are searching right now. Some of them are going to be good, some of them are going to be bad, so it's just all about experimenting what works for you. So this was just a quick overview on how to search for good keywords. It can be a bit more complicated than this, but at least you've got the foundations of how it works, and I will make another video in the future on how to do it in a bit more detail. Okay, so now we've found the keyword that we want to target and we begin to upload our video. This is where TubeBuddy can get quite interesting. Okay, so as you can see, the keyword that we're targeting, for example, is how to grow your YouTube channel quick. Now you want to make sure that this is in your title, you want to make sure it's in your description, preferably the first few lines, to make it more search engine friendly, and you want to copy it directly into your tags as well. Now for the tag section, usually what you'd have to do is type them in manually and hopefully making sure that they are good tags to try and rank for. But in this case we have TubeBuddy and they have a tags tool, so if you scroll down it basically does all of that for you. Now I have hundreds and hundreds of tags, but that's because I've got a paid license, so if you do have the free license you're probably only going to get the first 10 or 20. So these tags are all mixed between good and bad keywords, so it's all about finding out which ones work for you, but they are all related to this video so they will work. So for example, if I just go ahead and click on a few of these tags and insert them into my video, I can then go ahead and click on them again, and it's basically going to come up with a tag explorer tool, and it's going to tell me basically the keyword score. So this one's 11 out of 100, which is quite a vague keyword actually, so it might not be worth going for, so I would remove that one. But let's just say if I click on one, say for this example, this one might be bad as well, but if it was good I could actually keep it into the video. Now good thing about this tag explorer tool is that you can also search manually, so you click on explore and here you can type in manually a tag, so how to get more subs on YouTube. And as you see, this one rates 68 out of 100. So the search volume and the competition is fairly the same. So this one might be worth keeping into your video tags, but you could always try and create different variations and rank a better keyword. So you can see here that there's a summary tab, there's a trending tab, there's also auto suggested, so there's even more words that you can search for. There's a history, which at the moment is not displaying, but it basically tells you over time how much traffic that keyword has got. So it's got a map, so if you're trying to target someone in a specific country, you can do that. And also gives you the results on YouTube if you were to search that directly into the search box. So all you want to do really is basically play around with all of these tabs and try and find, yet again, more keywords that are actually good to rank for, and it gives you a better chance of getting more views on that video. Now another thing you want to make sure you're doing is creating a thumbnail, and you can actually create a thumbnail directly in TubeBuddy itself, which is one of the features, which is great. You can also set upload defaults, and that's not just for the info settings, but you can do it for the end screens, animations and cards. You can do it for pretty much everything. And just as a bit of an add-on, it also tells you a best practices tab, which basically goes through a checklist of everything to do on that video in order to gain more traffic to it. And just as a little bonus, it tells you the order of your videos as well, just here on the right. I just want to say that I have been using TubeBuddy since the start of this year, and I just want to show you proof that my channel has been growing very slowly. But since I installed TubeBuddy around this time, my channel growth has actually doubled, if not tripled at this point. So it does actually really work, and I do recommend installing it. I also recommend getting a paid version of TubeBuddy as well, since this does offer a lot more features and it does unlock a lot more potential to grow the YouTube channel as well. So this video is just a brief overview on how TubeBuddy works and how to get your videos to rank a bit better, but I will be making one in the future going in everything in a bit more detail. So if you do want to see that, just leave a comment below just letting me know that you do want to see this, and I'll upload it a bit sooner. But if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and don't forget to pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. If you want to download TubeBuddy, the link will be in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this one. So thank you for watching and have a good day.